Hello guys, today I will teach you how to make money on Fiverr through resume creating. Follow my steps and watch the video carefully to learn the complete skill. Don't skip the video because you will miss important steps and the objective will not be gained. Let's start. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Step number 1. Open Fiverr. Link is mentioned in the description. Fiverr is a popular platform for earning money through your freelancing skill. I will teach you the best possible skills to earn money, and one of them you will learn today in this video. I will show you some freelancers who are earning and their orders are still in queue. They are getting more work through this platform using resume writing as their niche. Step number 2. Now I will show you how you can create a resume free of cost in no time. You just have to put the information provided by the client and you can create a professional resume in few minutes. Links are also mentioned in the description. In this website, I will make you able how you can create a resume. You can download templates and can edit them in MS Word easily to create the resume. You can also create a professional resume using Canva. If you want to use Canva Pro, you can watch my another video which shows you how can you use Canva Pro absolutely free of cost. Link is in the description. Here is another website where you can easily download templates which can be edited in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.